Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Bright, the founder of RSK Cosmetics. I started RSK Cosmetics because I had hair issues and I'm good at formulating products, so I decided to come up with a product that would stop my hair from falling, the hair loss and hairline problems. So this Chebe hairline treatment is the product that we have under our brand Embedded Roots, and we also sell oil-based perfumes. You can get us on Instagram at RSK_cosmetics and also on Instagram at Embedded Roots and on WhatsApp at 069-195-7947. Hi, my name is Bright and I'm a Township Entrepreneur.